In this video we're going to have a look at multiplication involving multiplying by 10, hundreds and thousands. Multiplying 23 by 10, pretty confident majority of it, we just go straight to saying 230 because we add a 0 on the end. And certainly that's a shortcut, it works here, but it doesn't work for all numbers, so just telling people to add a 0 on at the end or add 2 zeros on at the end could be quite damaging for some later examples that we'll have a look at. What we say is when we multiply by 10, each digit moves one place to the left in their place value chart. For example, if we have a look here, 2 tens and 3 units. Well, essentially what happens is that these values shift one place to the left. So we've got 200, 3 tens, 0 units, 230. We don't say we add a 0 on at the end. The learners can try and maybe justify that themselves, but we never actually say we add a 0 on at the end, because in some later examples we'll see that kind of falls apart. Okay, multiply 3,450 by 100. So once again, majority of us will just use the shortcut. We'll go 3450, and there's 2 zeros of the 100, so we'll add 2 zeros on. And once again, this will be absolutely correct. Okay, but what we try and convey to the learners here is that because we're multiplying by 100, we're moving 2 places to the left in our place value chart. So we're moving 1 place, 2 places. So we've got 300,000s, 4 10,000s, 5,000s, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 units. Okay, and whilst this might seem a bit contrived, it kind of gives a better understanding for some later examples. For example here, multiply 4.3 by 100. If we tell learners just to add 2 zeros on at the end, 4.3 times by 100, we would get the answer 4.300. This is the mistake that can happen. This is where pupils can get mixed up if we just use that language, add zeros on at the end. Okay, so this doesn't work. Okay, so we are multiplying by 100. That means we are moving 2 places to the left in our place value chart. So we're moving once, we're moving twice. So we've got 400s, 3 tens, and we have got 0 units. So 4.3 multiplied by 100 is 430. Okay, it's for the reason of this that we don't say add zeros. Okay, so if we want to do 12 multiplied by 100, okay, that means we want to move our 12, we want to move it 2 places to the left in our place value grid, so we move it once, we move it twice, so we've got 1,200, we've got 0 tens and 0 units, so our answer here is 1,200. Okay, if we want to do 0.32 multiplied by 1,000, that means we want to move our 0.32 3 places to the left. We don't add 3 zeros, so we move 1 place, 2 place, 3 places to the left. So we've got 300, 2 tens, and we have 0 units. So my answer is 320. Okay, and finally, 6.041 multiplied by 10. We do not add a 0 on the end. We move 1 place to the left in our place value. So that would become 6 tens, 0 units, 4 tenths, and 1 100th. That would become 60.41. Thanks very much, folks.